Yo YouTube, today I have a new video of my new car, and this is not to show off or anything, but it's the first car I've ever bought, and I've seen a lot of people doing these kind of videos, and I haven't uploaded in a while, so I thought I might do it as well. It's a Ford Fiesta 2012. It's not a Ferrari or anything. It's better than a Ferrari though. They both have 4 wheels. Get you a better shot. Let's go inside. I'll tell you some specs about this bad boy. This is what it looks like from inside. You know, Ford. And this is actually a small car. I think the motor's like a 1 liter V4 or 1.2 liter, something like that. And it goes 130 miles per hour. It says so. So it's pretty quick, I guess, for a car this small. It's the rest of it. You know, everything's normal. It has Bluetooth, it has the aux. It has some cool lights right there that you probably can't see because there's still sun, but there's usually some lights right here. See those purple lights? Well, in the night, you can see them really well. And it looks really cool. I might do a video on it later. I'll show you the back. This is the back. It's pretty big. Kind of big, not really. Not sponsored by that water. But yeah. I would rev it, but there's a lot of people out here, so I don't want to rev it right now. It's not that loud anyways. Yeah, it's my first car, so like I said, it's not to show off, I just wanted to upload. Should I turn it on? Let's see. The audio is pretty good too. Let's see if they got any bangers. Let's put it down. I don't want to get copyrighted, but we'll wait until that goes down. Yeah, it's pretty decent. The speakers, nothing too shabby. Let's turn it on. You can't really hear it though. Let's see. I don't have somebody to hold it, or else I'll do it outside.